Hello everyone and welcome to the Freedom Channel. I'm your host Cornish and today we're going to be doing a few tips of what I've learned by using this new update. So with all this and the whole no moments found, I'm going to show you how to put your moments on here. Now I've just finished up a review for Condemned and made a heartbeat moments of it. So first thing we're going to do is going to go onto this. I'm going to go to the right, then we're going to put Condemned series review. So what I've done here is I'm getting everything ready, and what I used to do in my reviews, I used to make a rough sketch of a script, I would say. We'll have a load of sparing errors, but we can fix it out by doing this. So this is how we're going to do this. We're going to add a moment. Now I know it's got links here for each different one. However, if for yourself would like to put other moments in, I'd say, even if it's not a moment. So say for instance we're going to go up here. We can either go to playlist or condemned moments. So we're going to do this. We're going to copy title and link, but first we're going to do a subhead. There's your subheader. Now we can either do it in number list or we can do it in dots. I prefer doing the bullet list because I feel like that needs to be updated a bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the bullet list right now. Now if you remembered what we did over here, we're going to do the intro to the Condemned series. So we're going to copy title and link. And we're going to paste that there. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to back out again, then move to this bit here. And then there you've got it here. So anyone who has their moments here, they can just click that number of where, you know, where the bits are for you. So I'm just going to go and correct my errors of my rushing of typing. Alright, now I've done my intro to the series. What I'm going to do is press that twice. So I kind of wanted that so I could get some space, as you can see here. So I kind of made it quite simple. Kind of want it a little bit more bold so that way it stands out. So remember, if you don't have any of this and you can't find your moments, just go to your channel or whatever, click this, and then go to copy title and link, then just paste it, but backspace that and get rid of that. And for myself, I want that bit to be big and boldy. And then I'm just going to paste what I did in one of my scripts. So of course, I'm going to recorrect anything I've made mistakes on. But of course, before that, I need one of them dots. Of course, we're going to find a funny bit, which I left in. See, I quite like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press enter. Now I'm going to get another one of these wonderful dots. Enter twice. That one out. And here we go. Same process if you don't have it on the side here. And also the same pattern as always. I know this sounds a bit bland, but once you see a little bit more and you understand. Now I've finished everything. I can now do an outro to this. So here's another cool thing I would like to show you guys. Now everything's been done, I'm going to post some of the links from the heartbeat moment and also the full video of the Condemned review. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit this one here. And then we're going to go over to my videos and find condemned. We're going to copy that and we're just going to paste the link there. So when you add link, it will highlight, as you can see there. And also highlight. And we're going to find the link. What we're going to do this time, we're going to go to our heartbeat and the playlist I've done for the condemned series. All I need to do is click that. And then go over here and then paste, add link, and then again highlight, go to this add link, and we're going to find our heartbeat page. Copy, then we paste, add link, and you know what, for giggles, and let's grab our channel while we're at it. So now we'll save. We need a thumbnail. And you know what? If you have an old video, that doesn't matter because YouTube has got a cool feature which they didn't have a while back ago. There it is. Now download. I warn you, before you publish your writing, make sure you save it first, because I've found a small fault in, hopefully it'll be soon fixed, where you do your script and then you upload the thumbnail before you save the script and then it freezes. Just bear that in mind. There we go. So now, as you hear, welcome to the review of all the horror games I truly miss playing. So we can just click the intro to Condemned series, and we can go through gameplay to the first game, and then the scariest bit in the game. And as you may know, and those links we did, we can now click the video of the Condemned review. We'll have my full review here, the page there. Also, Condemned heartbeat moments. Not to mention my official Cornish Games Notes heartbeat page. And of course, the official Cornish Games Notes YouTube channel. So that's kind of a tip of how you can put links and different titles and like in timestamps. So that right there is really a little kind of small guide for anyone who's learning how to use this new software thing for Heartbeat. I hope it helped a little. There'll be more videos coming soon, so stay tuned. I'm looking forward to doing more here.